Children, today I am going to explain lesson number 3, keeping our body fit. See, in lesson number 1, changes and choices, what you have learned in changes and choices, that how you, as you are growing, you will be changing and your choices also will be changing. And in lesson number 2, our body, what you have learned about the different parts of our body and their functions. And today you are going to learn keeping our body fit. How to keep our body fit? See, by following these 6 steps, we can keep our body fit. Is it clear? Coming to the first point, healthy food. What is healthy food? Fresh and clean vegetables, fruits and vegetables are healthy food. See, the food that is prepared in your house by your mother or your grandmother, that is healthy food. See, they'll go to market. After they bring the vegetables from the market, they will clean, wash and they will prepare fresh. And that is very good for our health. See, if your mother prepares any vegetable curry or any other curry that you won't like also, you have to eat. Because each and every vegetable and fruit, it contains more proteins and vitamins. So you have to eat. You should not say, no, I don't want to eat. You should not say like that. Whether if you don't like also, you have to eat. Is it clear, children? See, you have to drink the fruit juices also. For example, sugarcane juice, orange juice, lemon juice. So it is very good for our health. So that is healthy food. All the fruits and vegetables, fruit juices, that is healthy food. So healthy food gives us energy. And they help us to grow. See, from nursery to 2nd class, how you have grown step by step? By eating healthy food. Is it clear? So compulsory you have to eat the food that is prepared by your mother. And you have to eat all the fruits and vegetables. Is it clear? Coming to the second point, junk food or fast food. What do you mean by junk food or fast food? See, the food that is prepared outside. It is not good for our health. Is it clear? The junk food or fast food, both are same. So it is very easy to prepare. But it is not good for our health. Why? Because it contains lot of oil, fat and salt, which are not good for our body. Is it clear, children? See here, if you want to celebrate any party, you will go to a bakery. There you will go to a bakery and order a pizza or a burger. So what that baker will do? Just he will heat that pizza or burger in the oven and he serves you. So you will be thinking, oh, it is very fresh and it is very hot. But you don't know whether that pizza or burger it is prepared before day or day before yesterday. We don't know. But while serving hot, you will think, now it is very fresh. But whatever your mother prepared in the house, you will be telling her it is not nice or it is something. You want to point out something. But while eating in the bakery or in any hotel, you will say, oh, it is very good. But you don't know whether it is prepared this day or day before. Understood? So it is not good for our health. See, when you go on the road, you will be seeing the Pani Puri vehicles. So you want to eat the Pani Puri. It is very tasty. So when you are eating that Pani Puri, see that water in that Pani Puri, that water, whether it is pure water, purified water or not, we don't know. If we eat like that, we may fall sick. See, chips, French fries, so many are there, fast food. They are not good for our health. See the soft drinks also. You will be more interested to drink soft drinks like Thumbs Up, Coca-Cola. Are they good for your health? No, they are not good for your health. So you should avoid eating and drinking those fast food or soft drinks. Is it clear, children? Now coming to the third point. What is the third point? Water. How water helps us our body to keep fit. See here, whatever we are eating, that food must be digested. How it to be digested? If you drink water, the water will digest the food. So we have to drink compulsory 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. See, the water keeps our body cool. And in summer season, we have to drink more water. Why we have to drink more water? See here, in summer season, we'll be getting sweating, so much sweating. And if you play outside and if you come also, so much sweating will be coming. So where that sweat is coming? From your skin. And that sweat is also water. Whatever the water is in your body, that water is coming outside in the form of sweat. So you have to drink lot of water, at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. So next point is exercise. Exercise. See, every day you have to exercise for some time. See, if you come to school, you will be having games period. And in the games period, you will be going to the ground and you will be playing. See, in your house also, your father, mother or grandparents, they will be going for walking in the morning. When they get up in the morning, they will be going for walking. Why they are going for walking? To keep their body fit. Understood? So in the same way, you have to play outside, not inside the house. See, you'll be wasting. Nowadays, you are not having schools. You are staying at home and just playing with the mobiles, playing games and wasting the time. So instead of wasting the time by playing games, in the morning hours, you can do exercises in your house like yoga, walking, meditation, anything you can do. You can play football also. You can go to the park and play football or any hockey, running, any exercise you can do. Is it clear, children? So exercises keeps our body fit. Instead of playing video games, just you play some indoor games. When you are in the house, you can play indoor games. When you come outside, you can play outdoor games. But don't waste the time by playing in the mobiles. Is it clear? So exercise make us fit. And next, sleep. The next point is sleep. See, all the day our body is like a machine. So after working from morning to evening, our body also needs rest. So you have to give rest. How can you give rest? By sleeping. So we have to sleep 8 to 10 hours. We have to sleep early. Early to bed, early to wake makes a man healthy and wealthy. So you have to sleep early in the morning, early in the night by 8:30 or 9. And morning early you have to get up by 6 o'clock. Is it clear? So that in the morning when you get up early, then your mind will be fresh and alert to do again all the activities throughout the day. Is it clear, children? So the last one is staying clean. How can you stay clean? See, by keeping our body clean, we can stay healthy. Understood? See, we have to take bath twice a day, in the morning and in the evening with soap. And you have to shampoo your hair twice a week or once a week. Is it clear, children? And next, you have to cut your nails also. Tell your mother or father every Sunday to cut your nails. Because your father or mother, they will be having the holiday on Sundays and they will be free. So every Sunday, if they forget also, you have to remember them. Why you have to cut the nails? Because you'll be scratching your hair like this and you'll be playing in the sand. So all the dust will go into your nails. And even if you wash your hands also, the dust will be under the nails. So compulsory you have to trim your nails every Sunday. And another thing is you have to wash your hands. See here, nowadays Corona came. See, whatever you are touching, each and everything, you are washing your hands. But before and after, actually before and after, whatever you are eating, we have to wash our hands. But nowadays, without telling, so many are doing the same thing. Whatever you touch, you are sanitizing your hands or you are washing your hands. So whatever you eat, and sometimes you'll be keeping your hands in the nose or in the ears. You'll be scratching your hair. You'll be touching something or the other. Then what should you do? You have to wash your hands. And especially before and after meal, you have to wash your hands. Then after eating also, you have to clean your mouth. So by following these steps, you can keep your body fit and healthy. Is it clear, children? See, by following all these steps, you have to eat healthy food. Avoid junk food or fast food. Drink more water. Exercise your body. Sleep 8 to 10 hours. Give rest to your body. And the last one is staying clean. By following these 6 steps, you can keep your body fit and healthy. I hope you have understood the lesson. Read the textbook, lesson number 3, keeping our body fit. Is it clear, children? Thank you.